Very good morning, students. Myself, Bodu Navin Kumar, working as a English and life skills trainer in APSWRS Social Welfare School, Nichapatnam Mandalam, Guntur district, and APSSTC and SchoolNet. Today, I will explaining topic is observation skills. This is a small topic. It's very important to you personally. What is the observation? The observation is getting information about the objects, events, moods, attitudes, and phenomena using on more senses. And who observing you? The observation of your parents at home, then observation of teacher in school or college, now observation of friends at parties, etc., and observation of people in your environmental. So the what are the observation types? There are mainly four types: scientific observation, natural observation, and subjective and objective observation. It's and direct and indirect observation. Let's check it out. What is the one by one? The scientific observations, the process of analyzing, applying, and learning. Alternatively, it can also be defined as the act of attentive watching or noticing of a situations. And natural observation is it's directly assess the settings of a program, its activities, and the individuals who participate in these activities. And subjective and objective observation is and subjective observation first uses observes personal and ways to draw inference. For example, I am a very tall person. This is a subjective observation. And objective observation is uses a previous facts and draw inference. For example, I am exactly 5 feet 5 inches tall. This is the objective observation. And direct and indirect observation is so direct is when you actually see it out of your own eyes, and indirect observation is when you see it in a newspaper, magazine, TV, and etc. How can you record your observations? It is not good enough to just observing. You need to record your observations. You might use observation guide, recording sheet, checklist, guide note, pictures. The is totally a combination of the above. Observations, the advantages and disadvantages. Most direct measures of the behavior, disadvantage and disadvantages may require training. An advantage provided direct information, and disadvantage observes persons may create artificial situations. Advantages easy to complete and save time, and disadvantages potential for the lessons. And advantages can be used in your nature or experimental settings, and disadvantages potential for the misinterpretations. How can you improve your observations? Here given some pointers. Look at everyday life in a clear manner. And second one, trying to judge people and other perceptions and state. And always trying to ask questions to people are in your mind, and being open to new expressions, and self-knowledge, accurate and willing to seek the input of the others, and being open to new ideas, and practicing good listening skills. Guys, this is the observation skills, how to observation with others and things and etc. I will give you here observation test also. It's a assignment. And see you this picture, so you can observing what is that. You can improve your observation skills. And thank you for listening my class. Okay, bye.